welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Linda, and if not, what's up? Today I decided that I would just come in, get ready with me, just have a chat, do what I used to do, play with some makeup and have some fun. So if you just want to catch up and have some fun and play with makeup like I used to, then just stay here. Don't forget to hit that like button, because that tells me that you like these videos still to this day. Don't forget, subscribe and hit that bell notification, because, well, without that notification I'd probably fly far under your radar. So again, don't forget that notification bell. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I just did basic mascara. If this was during the day, I'd go ahead and put falsies on, but I'm not, because I'm not going to glue them to my face and then take them right back off. It's kind of stupid. So yeah, I just use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So I'm going to put some foundation on. And my battery's blinking, so basically I'm just putting on some foundation with a Real Technique sponge. Then I'm going to set my face with some powder, and so let's just see how long my battery lasts. So what does everybody think of Tati? I mean, this is like a beauty channel slash mental health channel, so what does everybody think about Tati's own makeup line? I haven't really looked into it yet because I just checked my bank account and the rest of my bills came out for this month, and so I'm like super broke. And I don't want to like see it and be like, oh my god, I have to have my hands on it. So I've been kind of putting that off. But what are your guys' opinions? What do you guys think? I want to know, do you support her? If you do, like, why wouldn't you support her? Like, she's amazing. She's definitely not a sellout like others, but I mean, we all know what this community has turned into. And so yeah, let me know. I've been wanting to try out her products, but I haven't even looked at her products yet. So yeah, I'm just going to use my everyday concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Conceal. It's just, it's just this. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like, I'm kind of at a loss as for, like, y'all are gonna have to help me out on this. Who do you find more interesting? I've kind of lost interest in a lot of the beauty channels these days. I've been watching more kind of other content that I've just found interesting in the last couple of weeks, and I am just curious as to what everybody is watching, what everybody is doing. Like, give me some tips, hints, whatever. Like, help a girl out. I don't know. Like, I've been out of the beauty game for quite a while, and so a girl could use some help here. So y'all can recommend something. Like, who knew? I want to know. I want to know who is new and upcoming, so we can support them as we support each other in a huge pool of makeup lovers, makeup artists. I want to just find some new people to watch and just be able to like expand the people that I watch, because I've kind of like given up on beauty, but that's because I've also like given up doing beauty. But definitely back in the game. I'm definitely wanting to be back in the game. So please, in the comments, tell me who's new, who is someone that you are currently watching that you have found. Let me know. I wanna check them out. Leave them in the comment section down below. Yeah. So not much else has gone on in my life. I did find a freaking nail in my tire, so I have been cautiously watching my tire until I can get it plugged, which hopefully they can plug it. If not, I'm out a tire. I've still got so much stuff. Like, we've got the law firm I work for, we have our cruise coming up next week that I'm not even prepared for. Like, I have my passport and everything, but like, other than a passport and the white dress, I don't have anything else. And yes, I know, sounds weird, we're having a white tie affair, so we needed a white outfit, so I found a dress at a Goodwill. No, it was at Rose's. It's not a consignment shop. It's kind of like a Goodwill, but not a Goodwill kind of thing. It's a thrift store. That's how we're gonna put it. It's a thrift store in Piqua, which is a city south of where I live, and I've got that, and that's about all I have. As for the rest of life, I have been doing okay. We switched me off the Vibrid. This is the L'Oreal Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. Translucent. Yes, transparent. Excuse me. Transparent. And I don't even know what I was saying. And yes, I do use the puff. It's in here. I lost my train of thought. I don't know what I was thinking. And I don't really bake because my skin gets like cakey looking. I don't know why. It just does. I have to be quiet tapping that into there, or else I'm going to spark the dog all over again. Now I'm taking it on my sponge because I can't. It's like, whoa. You can take some of that elsewhere. Ooh, that's a lot. Linda, that's a no-go. So I've never been on a cruise before, so I have no idea what I'm getting into. I just know that it's going to be okay. It's going to be fun. I just have to be okay with that. Oh, I know where my train of thought was going. I have been taken off the Vibrid and we have switched me to Prozac, which, thank God, because Prozac at 40, I'm now on 40 milligrams and it's like not even $3 copay, whereas the Vibrid was $203, excuse me. So I've saved myself $200. But coming off of the Vibrid, we did a titrate off the Vibrid and put me on the low starting dose of Prozac at the same time, so that way we would hopefully miss out on the withdrawal side effects. We were hoping we could completely avert those, but I believe with Prozac being such a classic drug and Virid being such a newer drug that there was just no way coming off of the one antidepressant to switch to the other was going to be easy. I personally thought it was going to be a little hard, but not. Okay, so my camera battery is dying, so basically I'm just going to end this here. I just used the contour powder on the Wet n Wild Dolce de Leche. The highlighter was going to just be the Shimmer Brick from Physicians Formula. I wasn't going to put a lip on because I'm just not. So here's the final look. I'm not fussing with my eyebrows. I would, but this battery is dying and it is going on 10 o'clock. I hope you liked the video and I hope you plan on staying, so please subscribe, hit that like button, bell notification as well, and be looking forward to seeing those Celine Dion, seeing that video coming out soon. I love you all and I hope you are having a wonderful day, night, whatever, wherever you are. Sending you light and love as always. Bye guys.